How to change PFP on chess.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your PFP on chess.com, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to change your PFP on chess.com, you can just open the chess.com application here, or you can go to the browser. Your PFP basically means your avatar or your profile picture, as you can see here. To edit this, you have to tap the profile icon or the three dot lines icon from the bottom right. Go to this option called profile, then just tap the three dots icon here. Go to the option called edit. You'll find your profile, in this case tap on it. Now you can just choose another photo or the avatar that you might want to use over here. Once you've selected a specific one, just set them and then save the changes accordingly. This way you can change the PFP on chess.com. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.